Welcome back to Price Action Trading Series from Market Secrets. This is episode 38 of the series, and in this episode, we are going to talk about which time frames to use for trading. This is one of the biggest decisions in your trading career. I mean, which time frame to trade or which time frame to use. That is got to be the biggest decision in your trading career. You need to make this decision by yourself and should be driven by your personal circumstances. A long-term trader who would like to be in the same trade for months will find little use to select a 15-minute, a hourly, or even 4-hour time frame sequence. At the same time, an intraday trader who holds position rarely longer than a day would find little advantage using daily, weekly, and monthly combinations. I mean, these combinations are useless for an intraday trader. This is not to say that a long-term trader would not benefit from keeping an eye on 4-hour chart, or the short-term trader would not benefit from keeping an eye on daily chart during the trading process. To determine what kind of trader you want to be in the near to mid-term future, you need to assess your time limitations, your personality, and your mental and psychological stamina. So, ask yourself the following questions. Can I trade smaller time frames due to work or family commitments? Is it possible and realistic to spend at least several hours per day focused and uninterrupted during the day? What is my personality? Do I need action day in and day out? Or do I want to enjoy my life away from the charts and only look at them once per day or once several hours? Am I mentally and psychologically stable enough to trade on smaller time frames? Am I capable of making quick decisions and correct analysis in a very short period of time? If not, intraday and scalping trades will not be the correct option for you. So you need to ask yourselves these questions to determine which time frame would be right fit for you. You need to make the decision on your own based on the answers to these questions. It actually depends on your availability, your psychology, your upbringing, and your commitments. So it all matters. So if you are like me who wants to spend less time in front of the screen, then a positional or swing trading combination is better for you. But it's all up to you. So I'm going to give you some configurations I feel are best depending on your choice. So I hope you have already made your choice by now. I mean, you would have made a choice on which time frame to use. So this, configurations will just help you to, figure out the right combinations based on your trading time frame. So first one is you can use daily imbalance as an entry time frame. It uses a very mechanical top-down analysis approach to locate our entries. There are times when a swing entry on H4 can become a long-term trade. If that is the case, we should manage the trade by using daily and weekly imbalances. That will be explained in the future episodes. So the easy way to go is daily chart as an entry time frame. If you can't trade successfully on a daily chart time frame, you won't be able to trade successfully on any lower time frame combinations either. Daily chart is simply the best time frame to trade. It is the easiest time frame to trade, and I don't believe that to be a subjective point of view either. It is a fact. Daily time frame is the easiest to trade. Daily time frame is the best entry time frame, and if you cannot trade successfully on this time frame, any lower time frames, I mean, if you are trading intraday, if you are trading, swing trades, none of those can be profitable for you if you fail while trading in the daily time frame. This is the easiest one to trade. So just stick to daily time frame. That is the positional trading combinations I am suggesting. Generally speaking, lower the time frame you choose, the lesser the chance any given price action pattern will work for you. So higher the combination, the more confident you can be because it mostly works. if you go to the lower time frames, there'll be too much of noise, and there is a high chance that you might see a lot of failures. This is due to purely the market noise that simply mean nothing. Within all this noise, there inevitably arises potential setups that may look good to the untrained eye. That is the problem. Even you can trade on the lower time frames and still be profitable. But what I'm saying is, if you are an untrained user, if your eye doesn't have enough training, then you will easily confuse a noise with a proper setup when you go to the lower time frames. That is why I'm saying, if you can't trade daily, there's no point in trading the lower time frames, because you won't be able to differentiate between a proper setup and noise, and you will fail. So that's why I'm saying the daily time frame has much better chance of being meaningful, and simply because there is less random fluctuations and less noise. Daily chart shows the most relevant view of the market, what is happening and what might happen next. As you go down to the lower time frames, this view becomes hazier and noisy. So, as a beginner, I strongly suggest to start trading with daily as your lower time frame. So, weekly should be your middle time frame, and monthly should be your higher time frame. And as you get a good hold of your trading, you can go to the lower time frames and you can consider trading intraday and even scalping setups. A beginner should avoid day trading, as they'll most probably end up doing too much stuff and end up losing money, and they'll also confuse proper setups with noise because of the lack of enough screen time. So those are the reasons I'm saying daily time frame is a best entry time frame, and that is what I suggest. But it is all up to you. You can make the decision yourself, but keep these in mind while making that decision. And with that, we have come to end of today's episode. If you have liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Also, if you have any queries, comments or feedbacks about this episode, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to address it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.